Alright, I had to bend this down here. I take this nut off. Take this little washer that bends, holds that nut in place. I loosen this off. And this is a clutch. Well, it's some very similar idea to the snow machine clutch. The weights go out and it does its little thing. It gets tighter, and so this one will get smaller and this one will get bigger, changing the ratio in between the two. It's called a variator. Get the belt, toss over to the side. As you can see in here, my clutch is, well, needless to say, pretty messed up. Should just be able to take this out here, and then you can get to the nut there. Alright, see the nut? Washer fits in there right behind the nut. There's the clutch that engages with the engine. Overall, not too bad. And you can see here what kind of trouble I'm actually in. Let's go see it's coming at it from the other side. See if I can get that bearing going. There we are. The clutch is now off. At least the front one.